Active cycle of breathing technique. The active cycle of breathing technique, which is also called as the ACBT, requires active participation of the patient along with the caregiver. Preparation. The treatment may be given in sitting or in a postural drainage position. Young children can be taught huffing at cotton balls or tissues. Flap their arms to the lateral side of the chest as they huff. This is called as the chicken breath to focus on expiratory maneuver. ACBT involves three phases. The first one is breathing control, second one is thoracic expansion, and the third one is FET, which is forced expiratory technique. So the first one is breathing control. The patient breathes in a relaxed manner. The upper chest and the shoulder is relaxed. Abdomen is active. Breathing is done for about 5 to 10 seconds. After deep inspiration, inspiratory hold of 3 seconds may be done before exhaling to avoid collapse of the lungs. Thoracic expansion. The patient places the hand on the thorax to encourage chest wall movement. The patient takes a deep breath and relaxes. Sometimes a sniff is done at the end of deep inspiration to increase the lung volume. Chest percussion, vibration, shaking can be performed during exhalation. Forced expiratory technique or FET. Let's see the method. 1 or 2 huffs are followed by breathing control. Normal breathing control is done for about 5 to 10 seconds. In patients with bronchospasm or those who fatigue easily, give breathing control for 10 to 20 seconds. If the secretions are thick, 2 cycles of thoracic expansion are performed before FET. Huff after a medium-sized breath mobilizes the secretions from the peripheral airways, wherein the huff is longer and quieter. And huff after a deep breath clears the secretions from the large proximal airways, wherein the huff is shorter and louder. After surgery, the patient may be shown how to support the incision with their hands while performing forced expiratory technique. Advantages of ACBT. The patient can actively and independently manage airway clearance. This can be started from 3 to 4 years of age. This technique can be taught to patients who suffer from bronchospasm, gastroesophageal reflux, etc.